What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Land Rover remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So if we grab our fob and we hold it like this, looking at the buttons in this orientation, what I'm going to do is push up on this silver piece on the side right here. So I'm going to get my thumb on the bottom like that and push up, and it slides it up about that far. And then once it slides up, that piece will pull off. And now in this little holder, there's this emergency key. Go ahead and pull that out. So if we're looking at it in this orientation again, and we look on this side towards the bottom, we see this little slot right here. What I'm going to do is put the emergency key in that slot like this, and then just pry up. And as I do that, it splits these two halves apart. Go ahead and pull those apart. Now we see our battery right there. And we just need to slide that battery out of that holder. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and slide it in that holder. And then we can snap these two halves back together. We'll put our emergency key back in this holder, and you want to slide it down till it's about even with the bottom of this holder, about like that. And now we'll grab this piece, and this only goes on one way, so if you find that it's not fitting, flip it end for end. It'll sit on there like that, and then just slide down into place. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.